It's recording. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yep, it's recording. Oh, sorry, I'm standing on your shit. I'm thinking you should be able to put this in this like I do mine if you got a boom mic. Or do you have a boom mic?
Yeah, I have a boom mic on the helmet.
Yeah, cool. Usually what I do is I just clip this thing on here like this, down on there as much as possible so it don't fall off. It seems pretty solid. Just watch when you close your chin. We'll make sure it's closed before you get on it. Yeah. I've never had it fall off yet. I've only done it a few times, but it's pretty solid. I mean, it's magnetically mounted. It could come off if you really pull it, but I don't think you will. That'll record audio from the that, and then we'll use the Sena audio to. Cool. If the wind's too much, we'll use the Sena audio.
Just like always.
As a backup. One nice thing about having the same kind of camera system.
Yeah. Interchangeable.
I bet I did. I bet I took that fucker out there the other day and followed you in there and forgot about it. I looked like, where'd the camera go? Uh-oh. Hello. God, I was so fucking fat. Camera on. It's not recording right now. Is it raining? Oh no, it's just the leaves. I was like, motherfucker!
Glasses. Always gotta remember the glasses.
And oh, it's your garage. Tip this in. Yeah. I think it's tilted down on the thing.
Is that okay?
It should be all right. I mean, it's not.
I gotta click it in.
Let me just. There we go.
Good.
You'll definitely feel if it falls off. It's right against your chin.
Oh, it's right there. Okay. Good.
The Sena's not recording right now. Everything else is. So don't.
Get this together. All right.
And you'll need these.
What do I push again? The back button?
To record it, I think it's this one, isn't it?
Okay.
Is it
we're
recording?
Good. Yeah.
It's been so long since I used it. It's like asking the wrong person. I haven't used it since last year. That's doing 360. Let me make sure this is on 360. That'd be embarrassing. Yes, it is okay. Remember that one year we went and I recorded my helmet? What are you recording? My helmet. Yeah, I had it on 4K and I brought it. It was facing me. We went on our whole ride. It was me, like the person with the camera and they're doing a special video and they're recording themselves.
Not even realizing.
Ooh, break my ankle on that damn thing. So, sharp little cliff right there.
What's that?
I almost fucking put my ankle off on that thing.
It's sinking every year. I gotta get that thing fixed.
You probably don't need the water bottle on here. It'd be better without it.
Just like riding a bike.
Yeah. Yeah, true enough. Do you want that phone holder off there? Is it in your way? No? Okay.
What?
I didn't know if this is in your way or not. I can take it off.
No, I'm good. Beep, beep.
This thing? Maybe you hit
Say
it.
anything bad. You said beep, beep. with that.
That's how we do it, baby. Very nice, very nice. All right, well, hopefully he enjoys his ride. We'll just record for posterity's sakes. Prosperity. Still knows how to take off on it at least. Didn't drop it. Yeah, so tomorrow I hit the... Okay, yeah, so for tomorrow I hit the road, probably around 11 a.m. A little muggy today, but not horrible. It's not as hot as it have been here in North Carolina for me. But I never really came here in May, so that's probably why. I think I'm gonna get me a pop. I'll just leave you on the driveway. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Yep, there we go. More audio. Audio. Audio, I say. Audio. Alt-T-O. O-N-O-T-O. O-T-O-T-O. O-Audio. Not exactly sure what it is, but I bought zero sugar root beer here 2 times, 2 different stores, because it tastes really weird. And it still tastes weird. So I don't know if they're bottled in different spots with different water. They almost taste like a filtered water problem, or they changed the formula and I've been getting the old stuff, or I've been getting the new stuff, one of the two. I'm gonna take some with me and try it compared to my root beer at home, see what I think of it. Maybe it's an elevation thing. What the fuck? You seeing this shit? Ain't no goddamn way. I think he's almost back. He's right about there. I forgot I had this. Yep, he'll be coming here shortly. Should be here in about another minute and a half or so, probably.
I scraped again. Sorry, Moose, I scraped. You knew I was going to scrape. You don't give my KLIM your bike and then say, don't scrape. Mikey's going to scrape. At will. I scraped the left side once, I scraped the right side once. And that's it. I'm good. I don't need to scrape anymore. It's not my bike. Anyway. So, I've got those 2 different paths that lie before me. Not lay, lie. You lay a book on the table. You lie yourself.
See if we can capture him on video. He should be coming any moment now, I would think. There he is. Oh my goodness. What do you do, stop and get the mail?
So I'm going to get on the driveway here and, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Hey, there he is. There he is. There's Moose. I was going to put my helmet up, but I'll just wait till I get down there. Don't worry, I came back.
Yeah? How was it?
My KLIM take care. Talk to you later. Holy fuck, that was awesome.
Cool.
Oh my god. I did scrape once on the left
That's
on
fine.
purpose, and I scraped once on the right on purpose. I noticed that the zoom angle is less. You're exactly right.
Oh, because of those things?
And then I did my twisties. It all came back, Moose. It all came right back.
Cool.
Like I never left it. You'll see. You'll see.
Oh, you mean lean angle because of those things?
What's that?
Lean angle because of those foot pegs, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're a little
you
less.
scraped a bit earlier.
Yeah. Yeah, they're not
That's
too
not a
bad.
problem.
They keep me honest.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. And I only did it to see. I wanted to see what it was.
Yeah.
So I did it and like, all right, it's not your bike, Mike. No, I've got to do. Is it this?
No, the bottom one.
The bottom one?
This one right here, I think.
I missed that sound. Oh my god.
I'm amazed how good this little mic thing stays on there. That damn thing clips right in. That boom mic.
That's awesome.
Works pretty good.
Oh, dude.
Should still be.
The gift you gave me today, you can have my firstborn child.
I think it's still working on the audio. Yeah, looks like it is.
Dude, don't sell this bike. Oh my god, you'll regret it.
Yeah, it's a fun bike.
Oh, holy Jesus. That was so fucking awesome.
Sweet.
And I was motovlogging just like the old days and riding, having a good old time. You're probably sitting there going, is he ever going to